Hello, Carlos here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Deliveroo app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go to the search bar, find your Deliveroo, like right here. Check if you have the newest version of the app. If you got the newest version, everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, go up to the apps, go up to the see all, finder, Deliveroo, permissions, and all not allowed. Maybe you just need to allow like here all of them. After this, go up to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and reset the data usage, turn on. After this, shouldn't be more any issues, but if you still got some, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.